Hi Navneet, thank you for joining me today. The purpose of this meeting is to discuss about the plan that we have developed related to HR strategies and the service level agreement. So before implementing the plan, I would like to raise any concern or any question you may have arise related to this plan.
Hi Navi, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My question is what we are going to do for the safe storage of confidential information related to our customers. I mean, this digital technology we can use.
And Navneet, we are going to use the intelligent storage techniques. So we will control the access using the protective password, and we will use the confidential waste and bins as well, so we can dispose the confidential information and which are not required to us. But if we need that information in future, so we will deliver information to the we can use the lockable document storage cabinets as well, so we can dispose of carefully, because if we put in the bin, we never know if someone has used that information that have been put in the bin, so they can review and they can reveal the information. So also we will so also when we will deliver the information to our service provider, we will keep in mind we will using the file sharing program by encryption. So we can provide the information, but we will make sure that the information should be confidential. So the most important thing is we will provide the training to our employees so they can keep in mind which information is very important to keep confidential and how important it is for our company. So if you have any concern about any potential events, you can discuss about that as well, Navneet.
My main concern is what we can expect from our employees to store data safely. I mean, as you mentioned about the training will provided to employees to protect the confidential information. So what types of knowledge and training they will be required to store data and how we provide in order to align with organization privacy policy required to comply with legislation of Privacy Act.
Navneet, firstly, we will provide the handbooks to our employees so they can make sure which information is confidential and which is required to keep safe. And also, we will hire the third party company service provider company, so they will provide the information or training which will be like the experts will be there, so they can have some experts knowledge from the external IT company. The information or knowledge they will require from the IT company would be on technology use, how they will use the technology, how they will use the password which they need to protect, and how they will can use that password to protect the information, data handling procedures, or also the data security best practice to use. So how to turn on and turn off the antivirus, which is required to keep the information confidential. And also, if something happen, any incident happens, so how we will respond to be ready to identify the potential risks and establish procedures. So I hope you understand what we are going to do to make our employees on the information they required to save the information, the customers' confidential information. So if you have any other question or concerns related to this plan, you can discuss about that now. If you have any, if you have.
No, sorry, I don't have. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you. So that's all for today's meeting.